How to remove connected apps from Google account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you have ever given third-party apps access to your Google account, you can easily remove them anytime. And I'll walk you through the steps that how you can do it. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Google app on your phone. And also make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you are inside the app, simply tap on your profile icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And from the pop-up menu, simply tap on the option labeled as Manage your Google account. And once you are inside the account section, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled as Security and Sign in. And now from here you can simply scroll down until you see your connection to third-party apps or services. Now tap on See All Connection to view the full list of the apps with access to your account. Now select the app or services that you want to remove. And from there you can scroll down to the bottom and tap on Delete All Connection and confirm by tapping Continue or Confirm, and the app will be removed. And if you have multiple Google accounts, you can tap on your profile at the top right, switch account to review each one separately. And that's it. Now you know how to remove connected apps from your Google account to keep your data secure. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.